Hello, welcome to another video from Phace Installations. This is an unboxing video of the latest GNET dashcam. Now, if you've never heard of GNET before, they're our most popular dashcams we do as a company. So we do the GNET 1, 2, 3 and 4. We've got the GNET 1 here. They do a forward facing and a rear facing camera, 32 gig memory card, 1080 resolution, parking mode, comes with an app. Then they've got the GNET 2, which is the same as the GNET 1, but the 2 is 1440 resolution. So it's that bit better quality resolution. It does have the Sony Starvis image sensor, so the colors are just a little bit clearer, just a bit brighter, just look a little bit neater. Don't get me wrong, the GNET 1 is still a fantastic camera. The GNET 2 is just that bit better. Then we've got the GNET 3, which is here. Now the GNET 3 is a 3-channel camera. So it's got a forward-facing, rear-facing, but it's also got the internal-facing dash cam here. Now this camera is absolutely perfect if you're a driving instructor or you are a taxi driver, private hire, Uber, that kind of thing. Then it can obviously film your passengers as well, just in case there's anything untoward. The camera will catch it. It's got infrared LEDs on it as well, so great for nighttime viewing. That one as well does come with a 128 gigabyte memory card. The GNET 2 comes with 64 and the GNET 1 comes with 32. Then we've got the top of the range, the GNET 4. Now that's 4K resolution, 2 channels, so front camera and rear camera, and it comes with a 64 gigabyte memory card. Again, Sony Starvis. Beautiful, beautiful quality from that camera. And now we've got the all singing, all dancing from GNET, the GNET Q. Q, well, I'm thinking that they could have called it a GNET 5 maybe, but hey, GNET Q. I like the box, very nice. Not that the box makes much difference. Now the main difference between this camera and all the others is that it's 1440 resolution forward facing, but the rear facing is exactly the same resolution. Whereas all the other model GNET cameras, the rear camera is 1080, so lower resolution. Still fantastic quality, but the GNET Q has now got 1440 front facing, 1440 rear facing. Anyway, that's enough waffle. I want to get this thing open. I haven't seen it yet. I haven't opened it, haven't touched it. So I'm really excited to see what this looks like. So let's just wander around. So yeah, exactly the same functions as all the others with 1440 resolution. So let's get this open. Okay. Oh, nice. I like that. It's a bit smaller, or a bit, I would say quite a lot smaller than the GNET 4. So if you look at the GNET 4 in comparison, there's a big difference in size from the 4 to the Q. So it is a lot more compact. Still got its fantastic styling. All the connections. Okay, so they've put the SD card slot on the back. Let's see what we've got in here. See what they give us. 64 gigabyte memory card. So that's fantastic. You can see that. So 64 gig is standard on the GN Q. Let's put that back in there. Shut that up. Let's have a look on the front here. Okay. So yeah, we've got your record button, manual record button, which is really good. So same as the GN 4, it's now got a manual record button, so that will put it in a separate folder, which is really smart. Power button just there, and the Wi-Fi connection button just there to connect to your app. So yeah, that's all very smart and all very nice. I like that a lot. So let's have a look at the rear camera, see if that looks any different. First impressions, doesn't look any different to the GN 1 or 2 or 3 for that matter, apart from when it says GN Q, which is there. So if I compare size to a GN 3 rear camera, no difference whatsoever in size. So yeah, very, very nice. So that's the GN Q, 1440 resolution front facing, 1440 resolution rear facing. So if you're really interested in getting the highest resolution all the way around for your rear camera as well as your front, obviously it's not 4K front, but it is 1440 at the rear. I think this is a very good addition to the GNET range. Let's see what else we get in the box, if there's anything else exciting. Probably not, but just... So we've got the front and rear camera cable. Okay. So, in the box and the packaging, power cable. And then the external GPS antenna. So again, same as the GN 1, 2 and 3. The only difference with the 4 is the 4 has a built-in GPS antenna. No biggie for me. I think this is a nice, neat and tiny little GPS antenna anyway. So yes. So that is the GN Q. We'll have this up on our website shortly, and yeah, hope you like it. We'll be getting this fitted into many a vehicle. And if I hadn't mentioned, this here is the Wi-Fi dongle, so that allows it for you to connect your iPhone or Android phone via Wi-Fi to the camera to pull off any footage. Anyway, so that's the GN Q. Hope you like it. As I said, it will be on our website soon. Thank you for watching. Please give it a thumbs up, like, subscribe, and share the videos. It really does help a small company like us promote these fantastic cameras. Thanks for watching. Take care.